posters, we have scenes. All right, so I like the scenes. This kind of takes you into like a whole AR kind of world here. You want to have like good lighting. The bad part about this is it's kind of tough to have multiple people in it. So, but lots of cool scenes that you can kind of use to your advantage here. Have fun with the scenes button. So if you want to click one, you want to hit select. And then this will go to your library, and then you can start filming in that. Now, the one thing about filming on clips is, as you kind of see, you got to hold the button, or you can slide. Oops. So double tap. I don't know. I thought you could like slide. Oh, slide up for continuous recording. All right, used to be you slide it to the side there. All right, and then you kind of get that button there to stop recording here. And then here's your clips. The other thing is you gotta have your beginning credit, your end credit. So you could do that in your posters. So when we go to posters, so right here, you can slide over here and kind of see what do you want your title screen to kind of look like. All right, so I'm gonna use this one, double tap on here. I'm gonna just title this one, Clips Tutorial. All right, I'm gonna hit apply. All right, and then you'll hold it for how long you want it to kind of record there. Then you can kind of click on them and just drop them where you want them to kind of go into your clips there. All right, so when we're here, all right, I'm gonna hit done. All right, so there's your posters. So lots of cool posters. You can kind of jazz it up there for your themes of your movies. Have fun with them. Remember, you need your beginning and your end credits there. So this is one way to kind of use that in clips. I'm gonna hit cancel. If you want to click on different effects, if you want to add some different things on here, we got our stickers, our emojis. So you can play around with those to add those onto certain clips. As you kind of go on here, some of these stickers, they are interactive, or is like our, let's see, our Star Wars one. All right, so I'm gonna throw Chewbacca on here. All right, we all know here. All right, so here's our man Chewbacca. All right, so now I'm gonna close that out. All right, now I'm gonna hit play. So we got a little Chewbacca action here, where he's actually hold the button. Actually kind of working there. All right, so fun way to kind of use your clips here. You can have your live like quotes on there. Split your clips, trim, have fun with it. It's a fun app. You can do some pretty powerful things with it. Kind of get creative with it. Have fun. I'm trying to think. I think that's about it. Oh, for music, if you want to add music, you can go to your music, soundtracks, kind of add on there. There's where you get your music. And when you're done, you're going to hit save, and then you'll hit save your video. All right, so that's about it for clips. Hopefully I covered everything. If you have any questions about clips, let me know, and I'll be able to help you. I love clips. I think you're gonna love clips here. All right, so there we go. That's just recording. I don't know why I did that. Here we go. I go to my camera. All right, people. There's clips in a nutshell. Again, hold the button there. All right, that's one thing. But then just slide up for continuous recording. And I'm just rambling on about clips. I love clips. Can't wait to see your trailers. I'm pumped up. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit.